porch coffee, feel at home. Steps from Main Street, bells ring slow. History hums in the streets we know. Blueprint dreams turning into keys. 60 days from reality. Something new in a timeless town. This is where our roots go down. Open doors, wide floor plans, built with heart and steady hands. Low maintenance, high on life. Feels like the timing's right. We're landing here, Lebanon Landing. Modern days with an old soul standing. Walk to dinner, ride the trail. Friday nights where the music sails between the cities but close to heart. This is the place where beginnings start. We didn't just find a house, we found our plan. Right where we're meant to land. Right where we're meant to land. Early tea time, shaker run green. Fairways wide, mornings clean. Weekend hikes at Seas a Creek. Quiet paths where the soul finds peace. Canoes drift slow on a little Miami.